So good morning friends. Now today we are here to install MySQL server on Debian and a GUI tool to interact with database, MySQL database. Okay. So let's get started. What we'll be doing, we'll be installing MySQL server. You can do it with CLI with command. Okay. So what will be command that we'll be using? It's a sudo apt install MySQL, not MySQL, but default MySQL server. Okay, we'll see that in action. And a GUI tool I'm using DBeaver. Okay, you can either use uh, MySQL MySQL Workbench, but I'm going to use this one, community version, because it's good. It can interact with different kind of database. Okay, so let's go to Firefox or any other browser that you are using and search for DBeaver. Go to this link, then okay, we can while it is opening, I can launch terminal and say sudo apt install default mysql server. Okay, why this default I am appending here? Because if I use only this one, okay, MySQL server, then it won't work in Debian. See, after entering the password, password went wrong. Okay, so after entering the password, it says MySQL server is not available, but it is referred by another package, and that another package is default MySQL server. Okay, so we need to do this one. So enter that command and hit enter and press enter. It will be starting to download and install. Okay, so while it is downloading installing, we will go to here, and yeah, it's launched. And now come to here DBR community and hit download. After that, go to Linux Debian package installer and press and click it. It will be starting to download. Yeah, see, it is started. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to here it is. I'll right click and open with GDB package installer, but it won't install it this time because yeah, it was busy in this, but now it can be installed as it's already done. So we'll go to here, right click, open with GDB package installer. Wait, if you don't have GDB package installer, you can go with this one, software install. It will also install that. So but I'm using GDB package installer, so I'm using this one. Click on install package, enter the password, and it's installing. Okay, while it is installing, I'll be going to terminal and wait, it should be here. Type this command to set up username password in MySQL. Okay, so sudo MySQL secure MySQL underscore secure installation. Enter. Now it says set the password yet. Okay, it says if you have just installed MariaDB and haven't set the root password yet, you should just press enter here. So I'm going to do that. Just press enter and switch Linux socket. Enter, change root password. You can ignore that, but I am going to do that, and I also suggest you to press enter and add the and enter the password. So I am going to enter the password and re-enter the password. Okay, now press enter, 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 and again enter, and it's done. Okay, so now it's done, and this is also installed. See, same version is already installed, means the software is installed, and I can close this. I can close this one also. I'm going to launch DBeaver-ce. Okay, it is coming up. Close this. There is already it is configured because I have already used that. But what you can do is you can open database. No, you can create connection, then select MySQL. Next, then here you need to enter the password that you have created. See, I am entering the password and say test connection. Okay, it says connected. Okay, means our connection is working, MySQL is working fine. Press OK. Now finish, and by doing this we can connect to this. Okay, and I'm going to disconnect this one. uh, Disconnect, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, so here it is. And now if I want to create a new database, I'll go to here, and I can do from here also, but I will say create database test, hit enter, and it is created. And after that I'll say use test, select, press enter. So now it is using test, and create table, say users, and say user id, and say just id int, and int 2, I'm saying, and int 2, and name the username varchar 2 of varchar of let's say 20, and this create table user, this, and select, hit enter. Okay, I say disk users. Okay, so table is created. Simplest table is, and you can insert value, insert into users values 1 and Jitendra, for example, and it is executed. I can say select asterisk from users, select, hit enter, and it came. Okay, so it's working fine, and I'm now going to disconnect this one. You can do like this. If you click this, it is connected and close. Right click, disconnect. This is why this is in this way you can disconnect the database. So thank you for watching the video. That's all from my side today. Thank you. Come on.